Comes the money.
Here we go. Money talk.
Here comes the money. Money, money, money.
Dollar, dollar. Dollar, dollar.
Here comes the money.
Here we go. Money talk.
Here comes the money. Money, money, money.
Dollar, dollar.
Hello and welcome to Money on the Floor. I'm here to help you pick it up. Talking about arbitraging, talking about cryptocurrencies, talking about trading in general. Yep, trading in general. That's what we're talking about today. I want to go over some simple concepts that might help you over there on McAfee Magic, or when we get to do Trade Pro, help you out there. So that's what I'm here to do today anyway. So let's go over it. Let's bring down a simple MT4 chart. Clear this grid off here. That'll help. Make it a little bigger. Let's put some candles on. You can actually get some information on right here. It's definitely an uptrend. This is the Bitcoin against the US dollar. What I like to do is come in here and put some stuff on here that'll help us, like a moving average. This is moving average cross. We're looking for custom moving average. Here it is. Okay. Boom. Make that larger. Bring this down where you can see what I'm doing. Inputs 13. Let's make it a 20. There we go. So now just with a simple 20 moving average, you know that anytime the price is above, it's a buy, and below is a sell. So that right there helps you alone. Now let's put one more on here just to make things, because another custom moving average. Come on. There we go. It comes back up here again. Good. Now let's put like a 5. Simple. There we go. Now we got 2 of them on here. So what helps, like this is similar to the system I used. At any time the yellow line is above the red, we're only looking for buys. So now if you go back to whether you're, everybody trades different. So you can use trend lines. So if you were looking for a buy or a sell, you could come into here. Let's make this a little bigger. So what I like to do is I see a cross right here, and then right there we have an evening star, basically. I would be selling this. And then I would see that we're starting to pull back, getting a wick. We're getting a bullish candle. We're going back into here. You can either close the trade if you're scalping, or leave it open because we haven't crossed back above, which is way down here. Now, you already bought in here. Now, the way I like to teach it is use 1/3 of your lots. So if you go in here with 1/3 of your lots, let's say you use one lot just to keep it simple. So you do a 0.333. You're going to put your stop right above here. Yes, you can get taken out, but you're only going to get taken out for a small amount. So you're going to buy in here, and if you do get taken out, you've taken a small loss on 1/3 of your normal size. Now, as you go down, you're going to go into profit. You're going to come back up. We're going to get the same pattern again, another evening star. And as it starts to go down, I'm going to go ahead and sell another one. And then I'll move my stop down a little bit. And as it goes down, I'll move my stop down to this point here. And we get down into here. And then we bounce back up. Then we get an engulfing candle. So I would probably sell it right about here as it goes underneath. One more. And then once I get into here, I'm looking at this. This is a morning star. And I'd be like, uh-oh, I better get out. And I'd be closing all 3 of my positions out. Now, even if I didn't close them out here, once it crossed there, I would close these out. I would have 2 in profit, 1 in a loss. So I would still make money. And that's basically how I like to look at it. Now, this is on a 1 hour chart. You can do that on a 15-minute chart. I don't recommend 5, it's a little bit too fast. So if you look here, we crossed. So now you're looking for a reason to sell. We don't really have anything. But right in here, we're getting an evening star. We're going back underneath. And we never crossed up, so I would be selling this. Down, move my stop down. And then we come back up, and then we get another evening star. I would sell it again. And then we start to come back up. And then we get another evening star, and we sell it. Indecision, boom, crosses. I made profit on one, lost on another probably. So it's hard to say if we made any money yet. Then we get another cross. Now this cross has a lot of momentum. I'd be seeing this big candle coming up. I'd probably buy in right here just thinking that it's going to go. I mean, there's no other indecision here to tell me except that we have a lot of wicks on the bottom. We have a powerful cross. It definitely didn't want to go down. And now we're trying to go up. So I would have bought in right about here. Kept going, kept going, kept going. Got a big wick. And then what did we get? We got another candle formation. We got it, what did they call this? Where it covers the other candle. Come on. My mind went blank as I'm talking. Now I got to cut this out of the video. Okay, hold on. So then we're up here. This is an engulfing candle right here. And then from here, you're going to sell it down. So if I was in this trade as a buy, we got an engulfing. As soon as we passed it here, I would have closed the trade. That's what I would have done. I wouldn't have waited for the cross. I would have been out. So those are things that can help you. And then also, you can do trend line trading. So if you're in this trend coming up, this is probably the better one here to show you. Let me go to 1 hour chart. Yeah, it kind of helps. So if we come into here, we see we're coming down here. If you put this trend line across here, that's a little bit low, sorry. Right about, doesn't want to stay up there. There we go. So you see here, we're getting a morning star. We're coming up. That alone would be telling me to be buying. We're crossing the trend line, I'd probably buy that. And then we move around, we do go underneath. So either you can close it and take the loss, or say, okay, my stop is, if I got in, my stop would probably be right here, and I'll wait and see if my stop gets hit, and it did not. And then we crossed above, and then you started going. And then once you got up so far, you saw we had a reversal right here. I probably would have closed it there. And also, we're above, right now we're above the, this would be the 5 moving average or above it. As soon as you cross below and we're up high enough, I'd probably just sell it anyway. But just because this is an evening star and we're going underneath, I would just sell it. And I would take my profit and run. So there's different ways you can look at this. So there's a lot you can do. That's the neat part about it. So, and everybody's different. So you got to find out how you like to do it. Maybe you want to use this and also use support and resistance. You can do that too. You can go through first and find them all. You know, you got one right about there. So you got support and resistance. You know where you're hitting support. You could sell this, and then you get another one going up, and you know you're still above the 20, which means you're a buy. So I would get out. And then if I saw this and it crossed underneath here, and if we had another one already on here, let's just see it. Yep, support and resistance over it. It's hitting it here, hitting it here, hitting it here. It's a little bit higher, it looks like, but we're okay right about there. But the idea is that you know you're hitting it here, so you're going to sell it down, and you already put these in, and you're getting another morning star here, and you're above the 20. I'd be buying that. And then you're going up, and then you're getting an engulfing candle or tweezer tops. That would tell me to get out. So it's just a lot of neat things, and we're all different. So you need to find what works for you. But these are a lot of things that can help you. This is a very simple thing, but it can help you. Sometimes simple is better is what I was taught. But definitely want to learn the money management, and then learning go back in time and see what works for you. See what stands out to you. we all see things different. So other things might stand out more to you. That's all. Anyway, hope this helps you. Stay ARB strong. We're going to have pay time coming out, at least on our ARB account. So, our ABOT, I'm excited. So we'll see where we're at. Go from there. All right, you guys. Bye-bye.
Here comes the money.
Here we go. Money talk.
Here comes the money. Money, money, money.
Dollar, dollar. Dollar, dollar.
Here comes the money.
Here we go. Money talk.
Here comes the money.